Is the pandemic over or what?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do my hair. Okay, my hair hates me and I hate her, and we've been fighting because my hair been looking a mess. So I wanted to do the Amazonian Helian Clean Mask Health and Beauty Aztec Secret.
God damn, girl. Y'all got some names on that now.
Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing. I'm using this for my hair and my face. What? If you're looking for a really good and inexpensive restart for your hair and your face and your body, or whatever else you want to put it, these are the two products that the world recommends. So let's give it a whirl, y'all. So this is my hair, nice and dirty. My hair is dirty, funky, stanky, monkey. It's just a mess. Okay, we're gonna make the concoction. As you know, this is what it looks like. This is no stranger to the natural hair community and everybody. So that is what she looks like. I have a bowl and a spoon. I'm just gonna add about that much. Girl, I am making a concoction in this mud. Science project. Whew. I'm gonna start off with this much for now and just see where it takes me. Cause I don't got that much of I don't have that much of what is it called? Apple cider vinegar. So let's see. I think I want my consistency to be like thick and not runny. I would rather it be thick, I think. So I'm gonna add, I shook it up a little bit, so I'm gonna add this and it should like bubble up. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna, do you hear it? Ugh, and it stinks. It just smells like it's gonna burn. Nah, that's thick. I think I want to add more because I actually have a whole lot of hair. Like, I'm gonna drench my hair in this, so I'm just eyeballing it. Try to get as much of the lumps out as possible. This ain't no tutorial on how to use this. Y'all know how to use this. So I'm gonna start off with this much, and if I need more, honey, I'm just gonna make some more. So obviously, I recommend you use a shirt that you don't care about. I don't care about this shirt. Section my hair off and just like work with the back first. Okay, so I am going to detangle just a smidge and real gentle, just to kind of like get my hair from the tangles before I do this. And then I'm going to wet it a little bit with my spray bottle.
This stuff stink. Why everything we gotta put in our hair stink? I'm confused. Rice water stink. Ben's the night rock stock, whatever the heck this is, stink. Everything stink.
Gonna get my spray bottle. Whoever this company is for this spray bottle, sponsor me. It is the bomb. I love this. Just try to wet my hair, soak it a little bit. Separated the hair in two sections, and I'm just going to start applying my clay. Yeah, the texture of this clay is literally like clay, so be sure to kind of detangle, I guess, before you start, because you want to work it through all of your hair. So in order for you to do that with ease and not like yanking and pulling your hair and losing unnecessary, like shedding unnecessary hair, I would say detangle first. That I feel like will work better. So I'm gonna do these same steps throughout my hair, just sectioning my hair off and making sure I coat my hair from roots to ends. And yeah, that's pretty much is all that you need to do once you've created your concoction. So I'm gonna speed this up and y'all could like watch me put this in my hair and how I do it. And yeah, so see you in a jiffy when I'm finished. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair fully coated in the clay mask. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Just put the whole bowl in there and just swish it around. Like so, like that. And make sure I got my hair fully coated. Yeah, so here is my hair. So I'm gonna let this sit. And I'll be back to apply the mask to my face. I'm gonna let this dry for about like an hour and then come back and then do my face mask using the same products on my face. Let that completely dry. Then I'll wash everything out.
1 hour later.
I've been letting my hair dry for an hour. My curls didn't come back. Like they look like they tried to come back a little bit, but they still like rock hard and straight. So we shall see. I made some more of the mask and I have it on a little brush and I'm gonna apply it to my face. I like mine thick. It's so cold. My face is dirty. It is not clean. I'm just going to apply this all over my face, but I'm not gonna put a thick layer because I want it to dry. I don't want it to be impossible for it to dry down, you know what I mean? So the consistency is thick, but I am definitely not gonna layer it too hard. So this is about how much I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna make sure it's nice and even, and I'm gonna make sure it dries down fully before taking it off. Y'all, my hair's stiff. Still. I'm joked. So it has been about 25 minutes and my face mask is majority dry. I got some patches here that's not dry. Here it isn't dry. Here, a little bit on my nose isn't dry. But for the most part, it's all dry. I am going to shampoo and condition my hair, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results and how my hair looks and turned out with no product. So I am fresh out of the shower. I didn't put any product on my hair nor my skin. As you can tell, your girl is dry. I'm going to go in with this glow oil from the brand 3 Queens Beauty. I will link this item as well as her website down below if you guys want to check out this oil. So with this oil, y'all, I use like a lot. My skin is mad dry. I use this oil every time I cleanse my face. I also use this oil when I am applying makeup. You want to get it down your neck as well. And I like to put some on my lips. So this is my skin. So here is what my hair looks like. Feels so light and airy. My scalp definitely feels clean. I t-shirt dried my hair and that's literally all I did to it. So yes, this is my hair. Of course, my child woke up during his nap. Say hi. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.